Hello and welcome to Englishpedia. So students, today we have another question bank of Netaji Open University BDP program English 7th paper. So it's a 7th paper. In the previous video we have solved the 6th paper. And if you have not watched it, click on the link in the description box. Now let's jump into our first question. It is only for final students. So first 7th paper, literature of modern and postmodern periods. Our first question is, what was the common cultural trait of modernist cultural creations from the late 19th century? So this is the first question, and what is the answer? The answer is literary realism was the common cultural trait of the modernist cultural creations from the late 19th century. Our second question, what does W.H. Auden considered the 1930s as? So W.H. Auden considered the 1930s as a low, dishonest decade in his work September 1st, 1939. Question number 3. Who wrote the essay The Painter of Modern Life? Charles Baudelaire wrote the essay The Painter of Modern Life. By whom were the Imagist poets influenced? Ezra Pound influenced the Imagist poets. Question number 5. Time present and time past are both perhaps present in time future. Who wrote the above lines? T.S. Eliot wrote the above line in 4 quartets, Burnt Norton. Who wrote the essay The Quintessence of Ibsenism? George Bernard Shaw wrote the essay The Quintessence of Ibsenism. Question number 7. Who is the author of The Sacred Wood? T.S. Eliot is the author of Sacred Wood. Question number 8. What does postmodernism distrust? Postmodernism distrust of grand narratives, ideologies and Enlightenment rationality. Question number 9. Which of the following books are written by Lyotard? So libidinal economy, just gaming, discourage, figure, the postmodern condition, etc. Question number 10. What does the word pastiche? The pronunciation of the word is pastiche. So what does the word pastiche mean? Pastiche is a creative work that imitates another author or genre. It's a way of paying respect, honor to great works of the past. Pastiche differs from parody in that pastiche is not making fun of works it imitates. However, the tone of the pastiche is often humorous. Question number 11. What does Baudelaire propose in Simulations? Simulacra and simulations converses how symbols and signs related to contemporaneity, simultaneous existence. Baudelaire claims that our current society has replaced all reality and meaning with symbols and signs, and that human experience is of a simulation of reality. This is what Baudelaire proposes in Simulations. What does the term spiritus mundi in the second coming mean? Spiritus mundi was a term used by W.B. Yeats to describe the collective soul of the universe containing the memories of all time. From spiritus mundi, Yeats believed came all poets' inspiration. Question number 13. Which Shakespeare's character is mentioned in the love song of J. Alfred Prufrock? Answer is Hamlet. From which source is the epigraph of the love song of J. Alfred Prufrock taken? So the answer is epigraph of this poem is a 6-line quotation from Canto 27 of the Inferno by Renaissance Italian poet Dante Alighieri. Question number 15. Which country is idealized in Rupert Brooke's poem The Soldier? So England is idealized. Which one is the last line of Owen's poem Strange Meeting? Let us sleep now is the last line. Where does the line a serious house on serious earth it is occur? Church Going by Philip Larkin. What is the profession of the father and grandfather in Seamus Heaney's poem Digging? Farmer. Where do the lines occur? Between my finger and my thumb, the squat pen rests snug as a gun. The Digging by Seamus Heaney. What was the initial title of Sons and Lovers? Paul Morrell. Who is Paul Morrell's mother in Sons and Lovers? Mrs. Gertrude Morrell. How does Arsat call the white man in the lagoon? Tuan. Where does Thomas Wilson in the Lotus Eater decide to stay for the rest of his life? The island of Capri in Italy. For how many years does Thomas Wilson buy his annuity? 25 years. Question number 25. How will you describe Rule Britannia mentioned in Shaw's essay Freedom? Rule Britannia is a British patriotic song originating from the poem Rule Britannia by James Thomson. Who is Henry Higgins? Henry Higgins or Higgins, fictional character, a professor of phonetics, was a character from Shaw's Pygmalion. Who is Eliza Doolittle? Eliza Doolittle is a fictional character and the protagonist in George Bernard Shaw's play Pygmalion. What does a kitchen sink drama usually project? The term kitchen sink drama refers to the post-war British cultural movement in which artists brought into focus the everyday experiences of alienated working classes characters. 29. Which of the following is the most important theme in Look Back in Anger? Alienation and loneliness. Our last question is, who is Patty Bowles in The Birthday Party? So Patty Bowles is the owner of the rundown boarding house in which the play The Birthday Party takes place, and this play is written by Harold Pinter. Okay, so that's all for today. If you like the video, please hit the subscribe button and share this video as much as possible. Thank you.